Hey y'all, it's the end of the 2024 honeybee season, and I know y'all have queen excluders that are covered in wax, propolis, honey. You want to get all that off of there before you put them away for winter because you don't want to attract wax moths. So this is how I actually clean mine. I let my birds go to town, and literally they will clean it completely off. Here, let me show you. And that one was covered just like the other one. So you've got some chickens, put them to work. Let them clean off that queen excluder. Okay, have a good one.